Welcome to Crespion, home to NTU-USP students, where one gets to enjoy the refreshing greenery and top-notch amenities. We take the saying, work hard, play hard seriously. Here's a taste of what hall life entails as an NTU-USP student. Crespion TV lounges are comfortable and spacious, making the perfect spot for fun gatherings and late-night suppers. Having your NTU-USP friends all living in the same hall provides convenience like no other. Whether to turn to for support or to simply hang out and have fun, your USP family can be easily reached. And the fun doesn't end there. Plenty of activities are also organized outside of school to ensure you have a fulfilling NTU-USP experience. Let's see what Joanne has to show us.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you a glimpse of what life can be if you join us. So let's go!
We are at the Istana Park now, just talking.
Our NTU-USP students are also involved in various club activities. One of these is USPresents, our annual theater production. Let's hear from one of our cast members, Megan.
Hi, I'm Megan and this is me acting as oldest spirit in last year's USPresents. Let's take a closer look. While the COVID restrictions made it difficult to schedule rehearsals, we pushed through with the guidance of Chi Chong, our director. Here are some snippets of us rehearsing in the NTU Black Box, together with the expertise of our stagies who oversee the props and our very own lights and sound crew. And finally, we were ready to move to the Goodman Arts Centre. We started off with rigging the lights together with blocking for the cast. Here are Ben and Junhei, our light and sound crew who work behind the scenes up in the control room. Oh look! A ghost in the making! Thank you, costumes and makeup team! And it looks like someone's getting in character. With our final warm-ups completed, we were geared up and ready to go. And so it went from this to this. Now let's roll the clips from last year's USPresents. 1 hill, 2 wandering spirits, 3 government officials, and other assorted ghosts.